Hello there, my name is Paul Snot, and today I'm going to unbox and review this gaming earphone from Armaggeddon. If you guys can see this, Armaggeddon. And it is called the Armaggeddon Wasp 7 Pro 3D earphone, gaming earphone. And I want to see if is this pretty good, because you guys probably I really need a microphone for my gaming. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing, shall we? After this intro. And hello there. So this is the box. The company from what do you call Armaggeddon. If you guys can see this. Wait, let me autofocus. Yeah, Armaggeddon. The what do you call the Wasp 7 Pro 3D. You guys cannot probably see this because it's too freaking light. But there's a word from behind, so you guys can read it. So let me tell you guys this feature, shall we? The triple Neodymium drivers spool a full spectrum deep soundscape gaming audio powered by Neodymium drivers. I have no idea what that means, but since it's triple, that means it's good. So look at this. Dual microphone, inline and detachable boom mic. I think inline is like what do you call this one? Yeah, the inline. You guys can probably see this, but if you guys cannot. And the boom mic is this one. You guys can probably see this. The what I call the boom mic. Let's show this. Let's show this, shall we? Show this. Okay, from boom mic microphone, triple Neodymium drivers earphone, 3.5 millimeter golden L-shaped plug, inline microphone, volume control, microphone mute on and off, phone answering button and music control, durable cable length 1.2 meters. I mean that's good. And the last and not least, perfect fit, firm yet comfortable in ear with effective passive noise cancellation. So yeah, this is gonna be fit in my ears pretty well. So this is the spec. Yeah, you guys can read it. I have no idea what this means. Stereo, something dynamic, Neodymium. I have no idea what that means. Probably can search it in Google. The package contain the earphone, the boom mic, the silicone ear gel, and the computer audio splitter. So let's get an unboxing, shall we? But before we unbox, I need my unboxing knife. Wait, there we go. Let's see the unboxing knife, shall we? Ah, that's so good. Let's unbox this, shall we? I hope I don't cut my finger. Oh, there you go. Perfectly. There you go. This should be good. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Okay, so I can put this knife away gently, because knife is still dangerous. Okay, knife is a knife. Let's unbox this, shall we? There you go. There we go. If you guys want to see the front, this the front. There's the package. Let's unbox this. Let's unbox this, shall we? Unbox. So this the microphone. This the what do you call it? The gel silicone. Probably like that. Look at that. Let's take the boom mic. There you go. This is actually pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Whoa, that's so. That's this. Yeah, you cannot bend this. So durable. Not gonna lie, look at this. Wasp 7, you guys probably can see this. Come on, autofocus. Come on. The main star is this one. Come on, focus. You guys probably can't see this, but it say, what do you call the Wasp 7, the name, and then this say the boom mic. If this cannot see, crap. Come on, closer. Too close. Crap. What else do you want me to do? Okay, this clearly say boom mic, so yeah, boom mic. There's an audio splitter if you guys have a monitor or PC, something like that. You put your earphone here, and then there's a splitter for the headphone and the microphone. So yep. And let's get to the earphone, shall we? Okay. There you go. There you go. Let's put this away. There you go. And my oh my, look at this. Come on, autofocus. Come on, autofocus. There we go. Look at this. I know they call triple, but holy macaroni! Look at this. Triple drivers. They're not joking. This is meant for pro. The Pro 3D. Yeah, it's not lying. Let's unbox. Let's get this thing out of my way. I don't want freaking. I don't know. Oh, freaking. There we go. Autofocus. There you go. There we go. Got the mic. The earphone. It's pretty long. Not gonna lie. The L shape. There you go. The TRRS. You guys probably don't know. And there's the earphone, there's the right one, and there's the left one. And I believe where you put the microphone in the left one, right? Yeah, there's a hole right here. You guys probably gonna see this. Right, I didn't autofocus. Yeah, you can. There's a hole right here, so I can take my microphone and plug this right here. If I make sure, there you go, and there you go. Oh, you can probably can see this. Boom mic. So this is pretty good. Not gonna lie. Pretty good, pretty good. And the inline, if you guys probably want to know, okay, there's the what do you call the audio slide. There's the mute mic. I don't know which one the button is, and there's the answer call or the pause play. It's a simple button. What do you want to ask? So that's the unboxing. Let's review it. So this is the microphone, the Armaggeddon Wasp 7, the left one and the right one. And they're not gonna lie, they're not joking. Triple driver, the Neodymium driver. Look at this. Yeah, you probably can't see this. Yeah, let's tap this one. I gotta try to tap this. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. There you go. Plug this thing is. There you go, this too. And then also a mic. Yeah, mic. So I plug this thing is this thing. There we go. There you go. The mic. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And disclaimer, I'm just gonna say this once. If you guys try to record a video with a camera from your phone with this, it doesn't work. It's meant for screen recording or like talking to your teammate, Discord, something like that. For like videos, it's probably not gonna work. Yeah, it's probably not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spend 3 hours playing games. Most of the games is gonna be Clash Royale and Brawl Stars. Don't judge me. And after that, I'm gonna check out on social media, for example, like YouTube and Instagram, simple like that. And the 2 more hours, I'm gonna listen to music from Spotify. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy 7 hours wearing this. And they also say that this thing have passive noise cancellation. So I'm gonna test the what they call the noise cancellation, the passive one. So yeah, pretty good, pretty good. The mic test I'm probably gonna show you guys later. So yeah, yeah, let's see you guys in 7 hours. This is the microphone from my phone. Just realized the phone I'm using is the Realme C2, so it's very budget phone. So this is the quality of the boom mic from the Armaggeddon Wasp 7. So I'm gonna tap the microphone if you guys can listen. The tap. So this is the inline mic from the Armaggeddon Wasp 7. So I'm gonna snap my finger, say words, subscribe to my channel. So after around 7 hours, I can say about that. The Armaggeddon Wasp 7 is actually not that bad. Let's get to the what they call the like every stage. Okay, for gaming, it's actually pretty good. Not gonna lie. When I play like Brawl Stars, I can actually hear the enemies attack from really far away, so that should actually help. I didn't realize that. And Clash Royale, when I didn't pay attention about the lane, I heard a car, and that's just the reaction of me say, "Oh my god, he put a something card." So this is actually way better. The base, I gotta say, I don't know if there's base on it, but no, it's a triple drivers, triple drivers. So for gaming, I give this 9 out of 10. It's good, but I wish it would be more detailed instead of the something like that. Okay, second, social media or YouTube, I can say about that. There's some videos on YouTube. It's very calm. I can listen very very clearly, but there's some videos I hear like freaking like deep audio. Like I don't know what the deep sounds something like that, like something like that. I don't know what they call. Probably too much. I guess it's too much audio. Probably. I mean, you can turn down the volume, but I decided to push the volume up to test the audio and got this earphone. What they call some audio or sound error, something like that, and they did come, but not a lot. So I give this 7 or 8 out of 10 for video or social media. Some video work, some video doesn't. And last and not least, listening music, or I can say about Spotify or YouTube Music, something like that. I wear this, and my oh my, this thing sounds amazing. The sound quality is actually pretty good. I hear a lot of music, my favorite music. Yeah, so this is actually pretty good. A lot of bass, not too much bass, but enough bass, and plus the music is very clear. For gaming is you need more detail, but sometimes my ears hurts, something like that. But for music, it doesn't hurt me at all. So not gonna lie, the music, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, this is actually pretty good. The audio for music is good. For gaming, it's not that bad. For YouTube, for watching YouTube or social media, I probably not gonna recommend this. But this, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. Not gonna lie, it's okay. So about the passive noise cancellation, they say about that. It's actually, it does work. Not gonna lie. I mean, it doesn't have a button on it. I mean, depend on the audio. If you put the audio to the max, the volume, yeah. If you make the volume max, or your phone max, you cannot hear anything. Literally, I would snap my finger. My brother's yelling at me, or my parents calling me for dinner. I didn't listen. I cannot hear. But if you put the volume to medium, you can listen some high sound. For example, people yelling at you, thunderstorm, something like that. You probably can hear it. And if you put the volume very low, you probably can listen the surrounding about you. You can hear the snipping, snappy, the clap, something like that. Actually, you can hear if you put the volume low. But if you don't like the audio, put it to max, or not just max. It's more like so high you cannot listen the outside. There like that. So conclusion, should you buy this from Malaysian? For me, it's not that bad. Not gonna lie. I mean, there's others gaming earphones. For example, the Edifier GM something, the Fentech, the Blackstone. But if you're a big fan of Armageddon, is this actually not that bad. It's not great or not. It's not great and not bad. It's just okay. It's good. And if you guys want to plug this for playing gaming and or watching videos or listening music, it does work. But it's not. I mean, it's not annoying. It's best. It's greatest. And you might be thinking, what's the price of this earphone? So I searched on Shopee and Lazada. This Armageddon costs 150 ringgit for the normal price. But right now you can buy this thing for 19 ringgit. So actually very cheap, not including the what they call the shipping. So but you can get the bundle. By bundle I mean you can buy this including the power bank for 100 ringgit. So if you guys want the power bank, you should go for that. But if you guys just want to buy this, go for the 19 ringgit. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is actually not that bad. Let's plug this thing in before we end this video here. I actually like earphones. So I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget, my name is Pauls, and don't forget.